Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Sunday reset routine. So today I'm going to start doing a little bit of Christmas decorating, mainly in the kids' rooms. I have a Christmas decor haul as well as some organizing, so let's get started. So I'm going to start in the kids' rooms. I do have some new decor to share with you guys later on that I'm going to be putting around the house. The kids' rooms are so plain right now. We're still waiting on things that we've ordered to come in or things that we plan on ordering or plan on going out to get for their rooms. Back when they were sharing a room before we moved here, they always had a Christmas tree in their room. Now, since they have their own rooms, we went to IKEA and got them their own trees along with ornaments. You guys are going to hear me say this a lot in these next couple of videos, especially when it comes to home decor and holiday decor. I can't load up on Christmas decor like I would normally like to. I normally would have like 5 trees in my house. You guys know this if you've been following me for a while, and just a lot of Christmas decor. But while we're here in Thailand, I can't load up on that because I don't have a ton of storage space. And also when we move, since we're overseas, they don't allow us a ton of weight. And so knowing that when it comes to things like this, it needs to be something that I can store easily. We took a trip to IKEA a couple weeks ago, and I wanted to see all of their Christmas things on display because I love when IKEA does their Christmas display. I just never purchase anything from there when it comes to like holiday stuff. We did end up picking some things up in store, but when I got home is when I ordered these 2 trees and the ornaments. So the kids just wanted a classic tree, so all the ornaments are red. You don't want to worry about things breaking, or if you don't have a lot of storage space like me, ornaments and Christmas decor like these paper ones are perfect because since these are connected by Velcro, you can reuse them over and over again and they fold flat, so you're not worrying about breaking anything, and they don't take up much space in storage. There's something about a simple tree that I really, really love. A lot of the decorated trees in IKEA were kind of like this, and I just think it's so fun and whimsical. I don't know, there's just something about it. Moving on to Blake's room, he's the youngest. We recently picked out his loft bed from IKEA. IKEA in Thailand does not have many loft bed options compared to the US IKEAs, but we definitely wanted a loft bed so that he can have more space in his room and a little couch underneath to watch TV. We're gonna get him a rug for sure and some curtains, and the nightstand and lamp that's beside his bed right now are temporary. So those are also going to be going soon. So I already set up his tree and I'm just going to decorate it pretty much the same as I did Braden's.
Sun is hitting my face, I'm unfazed, I need this. Calling out my name, say meet me, see these waves. Now I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, we're getting my energy, energy.
Reusing the string lights from our ghosts from Halloween, and I just put them underneath his bed along with the leftover paper ornaments.
Let the sea sway with me, sway with me. I would try to hold on, treading water in this big storm now. Try to swim away, crash just like a tidal wave. I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, we're getting my energy, energy. Let the seas sway with me, my remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, getting my energy, energy. Let the seas sway with me, sway with me.
Moving on downstairs, I am sitting here trying to figure out where I want my Christmas tree. I thought I wanted it in front of that window, but I like to look out that window when I'm sitting on the couch. So I think I'm just gonna move my mirror in between these two windows and then put my Christmas tree where my mirror is, and that was right beside the TV. The only piece of holiday decor I brought with me was my Christmas tree, and this is one of my smaller ones. We did get rid of the largest one we had, which was a 9.5-foot tree, and it was super full. I loved it. One of the sections of lights just stopped working, so we had to get rid of it. And so I brought this one. This is more on the newer side of trees, so I brought this one with me. It's not a big fluffy tree, and it's only 7.5 feet tall, but I'm glad I brought it because I knew I was going to want to at least put a tree up for Christmas here. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up and see how I like it right here beside the TV. I'm not going to put any ornaments up because I'm still waiting on my hook from Amazon, and when they come in, I will decorate it. Alright, so I ordered some new Christmas decorations from Amazon, and I have some things from IKEA that I'll show you in a second. So we're pretty much starting from scratch when it comes to Christmas decorations because I didn't bring anything here besides my tree. So I made sure to pick out things that I know can store easily or won't take up too much space when I store it away, and also things that I know I would use in the future. So our Christmas decorations will be very minimal, at least for this year. I'm not sure how next year will look, but I just wanted to have just a few things around the house to make it feel more Christmassy. As you can see, I'm taking out some pillow inserts that were highly requested from Amazon. So I got 4 of these, and these will stay on my couch or either on one of the beds upstairs, so I don't have to worry about storing these. I can just switch out the pillow covers. Like I said, I got these from Amazon. They are going to be in my storefront along with the holiday decorations that I just picked up. I'm going to try these out on my couch with some like red pillow covers, and I'll show you guys that in a second. As I unbox, you'll kind of see the vibe that I'm going for, not too far off from what I've been doing in the past. I picked up some bells because I love bells for Christmas decor. Those are going to go on the tree along with those burgundy ribbons. I got some burgundy ornaments. Those berries are also going to go on the tree. These brown ornaments. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm not sure if I have enough ornaments. This is a pack of 16 stems. I think it came with 16 stems, and I'm only going to use some in this vase and then some in another vase. I'm not going to decorate in this video because I'm still waiting on things to come in. And also, like I said, my tree, I'm waiting on my ornament hooks to come in. So I'm just going to save the decorating, even though it won't be that much. Right now, I'll just unbox some things for you and show you guys what I have so far. Guys, so it's the next day, and I wanted to remind you guys what our other living room looks like right now. You guys know that we have a bunch of this furniture that isn't ours. It came with the house. They can't pick it up right now. Obviously, all this like little stuff is ours, but all of furniture, none of ours. But I want to show you guys because last night we started to move things around. And so you remember how when I was decorating, I was just putting this stuff in the cabinet. We had these 2 large bookshelves right here. Last night we decided to try something out and put them in our pantry. This closet is right off the kitchen and there's no shelves in here. We had 2 large bookshelves in our living room, and this is temporary furniture, but we can pick and choose what we want to keep during our stay here. So I think we're going to keep these now because there's no shelves in this room. I guess you can use it as a storage room. We moved these in here last night. I didn't film it because it was like last minute and they wouldn't go side by side. There wasn't enough space. and then here is the other one. So we just have some random stuff put up. I don't cook as much here, or I haven't yet. I have cooked plenty of meals, but I just haven't cooked as much as I normally do because it's so much cheaper to get cook to order food out. So I haven't been cooking as much, but I have all of my little food and snack containers here, the kids snacks, and then some other like food containers. Most of these are empty. These vegetable bags from Muji. I'm gonna be using these for potatoes and onions. I do plan on getting some more bins so it'll look a little nicer and more organized. They have their trick-or-treat bags up here. Those were handmade here in Thailand. I think they're so cute. Random stuff up here, and our Nespresso that we are not using. It's the perfect spot for my vacuum. And then we have all this wall space. I can do like hooks or a picture even. I'll probably do like a little rug in here. So yeah, this is the pantry for now. This thing also came with the house, and I think I'm gonna keep this and put it in Braden's room so he could store his Lego sets and other things on it. It's good for a kid's room, so I think I'm just gonna keep this and just put it upstairs somewhere. I hope you guys enjoyed that little house update, but moving right along, we are in the kitchen now, and I'm gonna organize my spices. Now, you guys know I had to throw away 98% of our spices when we moved here. I had at least 100 or more seasonings and spices and things like that at the house.
I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love.
As I'm cooking meals at the house, I am slowly building up my spices. I didn't go out and just buy a ton at once. I just buy what I need as I go along. I don't cook as much here, like I said earlier, because it's so much cheaper to get freshly made meals and things delivered to your house. I ordered these glass spice jars from Lazada, but they have the same ones on Amazon, so I'll have those in my storefront.
We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable, comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa, or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? The same? Are you the same?
That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.
I want it, yeah, I need it, and I'm on it. All morning, are you the same?